Hello, hello, Michael Fitzgerald here. I just wanted to pop on today for Tipsy Tuesday for a couple of drawing tips. So I'm sitting and I was shaving off some graphite from a stick, like you do, and just kind of doing this. And my husband popped in and said, "What you doing?" I said, "I'm creating some graphite for my drawing," because I'm doing a drawing. And he said, "This thing's kind of frustrating because it's a lot of waste on the sandpaper that's not getting into the bowl, and it takes like a really long time to use these guys to do this. You get a nice fine powder from it, but it takes forever." Yeah, I was sitting here for quite a while doing this. So he pipes up and says, "Well, what about that grater that we bought a long time ago? Wouldn't you use that?" And so I was like, "Oh yeah, okay, that's cool." So he went and grabbed it for me. We've had this thing. It came in this sheath for like 15 years. We've had it, and I've never used it. It still has the old style price tags on it. So I wanted to show you how this worked. It works really well. You can see it's got really fine grating. Just stick it on there. You probably can't see it falling in there, but it's coming off really well and a lot faster than the paper. You can also lay it on its side and do it this way. That seems to get a bit of a finer grate to it, but I just go ahead and do it this way. Okay, and just stick it back in the sheath if I can. There we go. And put it to the side. And the second tip I wanted to share with you guys is cotton roll for drawing. It's this stuff here. It's just it's like a big cotton ball that's all rolled up. I got it at the local pharmacy. This is the packaging it came in. It's just a cheap one. Okay, you just tear a little piece off. Wad it into a ball and stick your cotton in there. Get it good and black, not black enough. And the graphite seems to chunk up when you put this in there. Not sure why, but it seems to be fine. It works fine. Okay, that's how you want it, nice and black like that. Yeah. Okay. And you can see I don't know if you guys can see it, the loose powder that's on there. And you take it and you just rub it all over your drawing like in a background. This would make really, really good cloud effects, I think, for dark skies. Okay, and then just bat it back into the bowl. I haven't tried yet. Let's see if we can put on another layer and get it darker. The graphite stick that I used was a 6B, and I'm looking for 8B sticks. I can't find them. If anybody knows, please let me know. Right over that top of that. It might be a little bit darker, not too much, but there's definitely not as much shine. I hope you guys can see. So if you took like let me get my 6B pencil here, because it was a 6B graphite stick. So if you took and went covered an area, that well, like this well. I can't cover the whole area completely like I did with the cotton, but you'll get the picture. But yeah, there's definitely a little bit more shine here. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. Okay. That is it. And I will release this. Today's Monday. I'll release this tomorrow for Tipsy Tuesday. Have a good Tuesday, everybody. Bye.